And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. Thank you. Today guys, I'm going to show you the easiest way to cook salmon. Today ingredients are asparagus, spinach, grapes, tomatoes, onion, pesto, and of course our beautiful salmon over here. Okay, I'm ready to cook. So guys, I'm going to use our salad master skillet here. Okay, this skillet comes with wrap. So basically you just need to add all the ingredients in the pan. So first thing, we have to lay the asparagus. And after the asparagus, we just add the spinach. And then add the onions. Just spread it like nicely. And then I'm going to put the tomato here. Spread it like evenly. After you add all the ingredients, now it's time to put the wrap. This one is made out of titanium. Okay. So with the wrap in the pan, now we can add the salmon. Alright, and then after we add, we can put 1.5 tablespoons of pesto. Just spread it evenly here. And I just put tomato on top of the fish and some in the wrap. Covered it and start cooking. So first we're gonna set to medium heat. When the vapor valve starts to click, we're going to turn the heat to low and then time it to 15 minutes. It's clicking. We're going to set to 15 minutes. Our time is done, so we can check it out now. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.